let's make this Ugwu soup I saw someone on TikTok made. I changed some things inside my own now. So you go wash your ugu properly, then boil am, not steam, boil it in boiling water. See the water when I come out after I don't boil am. If you add potash when you boil am, I no add potash because I'm allergic to am. For this video, I use my favorite protein: sea snail, normal snail, and fish. Because for here, then I add some pumps for extra blockage of the soup. Soup need to get within the block. Then I can add blended pepper and onion. I don already add small salt. I can't use my Maggi Knorr because when I see this Maggi, they fail me. If I use any other Maggi, salt dey always pass my food because I don't sabi put salt for food like that. I add red oil when I use fried fish, make it boil small. I can't turn am, but not turn am too much. You go allow am boil well while dey fire or carry your steamed vegetable make you chop am. You know they say chop in small pieces, in small bits, like you go chop am make it tiny. But I chop am small, but I'm not sure the whole process for here. Same pot where I use fried fish, I add my stock then. See how thick it dey be. At this point, I don't even think say the water too much but bread watch and see. I add in many pepper blend when they inside the chopper. Then I begin add my chopped ugu. You feed your boiled chopped ugu. You fit chop your own small parts like this, so but me now like this I do my own. I chop them like this, come add down. I begin turn am on. You stir it a little, stir the way you want to combine completely, because you see this soup, it dey easy make it sweet, it dey easy make ingredients them no catch am. After I turn am, I think I add another Knorr cube. So all the Knorr cube I use for this food, this vegetable soup, including the one I use boiled meat. All of them are 4. And chungili, like literally a pinch of salt. Again, I use Knorr cube because I know they like chop salty food again. So then I can add more red oil to give them fine look. Then that fish, this fish, anytime I buy them, I don't know why the fish they always scatter from my hand. Like you put them for fire, you know, go even reach 10 minutes, the fish don't scatter. I can't add the fish, can't turn them everything, cash well. So this fish now, as I turn them, it can't scatter well for the soup. So anytime while they eat the soup, I dey jam fish, I dey jam snail, I dey jam snail, I dey jam I dey jam everything they jam. And funny, even after 3 days of warming the soup every day, because we not get light to my area, this soup was still very, very crunchy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you in the next one.